Hi guys, welcome to another allotment video. Me and Jace have just finished work for the day and we're off to find some, or not find some, we're off to buy some wood that I found on Facebook Marketplace. So let's go and see if they're any good. So that was a success. Like you can see the wood, but there we ended up getting extra like thicker wood as well as like posts. So yeah, really happy with that. It was good, wasn't it?
It was good. Take it to the allotments now, innit?
Yeah. Feels like I've been in the car for hours. But yeah, finally here, and we picked up a pallet as well from the house. So here's the pallets that we bought. Not the pallets. So here are the planks of wood that we bought. So we've got these ones, which are like that long. They're quite thin and they're quite short, I think, for raised beds. So I was thinking of having them too high. So like, that's the size of my hand. Excuse the makeup and the nails. The size of my hand, having them too high, and then I could get some wood and just make sure that they're attached, but there. Also picked up a couple of these bits of wood. They're a bit chunkier to make the corners and maybe some of the other adjoining parts as well. So yeah, all in all I paid about 25 quid for these. So not too expensive, but not free. I would like them to be free, you know, from a skip or something, but I couldn't find any, and I thought, you know, £1 a board, it's not too bad.
They're heavy, especially how far you gotta walk.
You done?
Yep.
So I'm just trying to work out how many we got and how many raised beds we can make. So we've got two types that I was thinking of, either square or like the rectangle one. So I just, for argument's sake, it's gonna be a square, it'd be like this size with it. Oh crap, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but given the size of your plot, the width of the, you know, you've only really got up until there and there, so the width of the wood is actually really good for the size of the width of bed. Depending how long you go, you could theoretically go as long as 2 down. So you could have.
How many would that take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So
yeah.
we have to 6, 12.
No, you get 25 of them?
How many did I get? No, I had
20. So you could get 3. But that's if you single them, because you did say about like doubling the map.
What do you suggest I do then? Do you suggest that I do a single height one or a double one? I mean, I suppose the higher it goes, the more compost I'm gonna have to put in there. So that's an extra cost again. And if I just spy over at my neighbour's plot, those look quite small as well, like the front ones. I think I could get away with it. I could definitely get away with it, especially looking at it now in person. It's whether or not I do this, you know? Do I do it that high? See, I think that looks cool, that is. I just don't know if it's practical and like cost effective. Besides the conversation about the wood though, I put a photograph of the plot with the plastic on it on my Instagram, and in fairness, people came back and were giving me like loads of advice saying that having this down will help suppress the weeds, and that the longer I can keep down the better. So today's plan is to just cut away this. Off now. It's 20 to 8, so I think it's time to head back and have some food. If you can imagine, when we got here there was like a little tiny ridge between the mat and the bushes, and now it comes back to around here. So cleared this bit. It needs a lot of work, it needs a lot of raking. But we've got some cardboard at home, so I'm thinking where the blue plastic stops, I can put some cardboard down because James and I are going away for a week soon, so I think it'd be nice to have all of this covered for when we're away, and then when we come back hopefully see some of the weeds have died down. All that's left to do now is to take these tools back to my neighbour's shed. She's kindly let me use them still, so it's been a lifesaver, to be honest. I showed up on my first day with like little clippers. I wouldn't have got through like a quarter of it with those clippers if I just had them. It'd be useless, so yeah, it's great. So yeah, thanks for watching. Sorry if they're a bit repetitive. There's not much to do now at the moment, and you know, apart from clearing things, so hopefully when everything's all sorted and I'm a bit more organised, it'll be a little bit more entertaining to watch. But yeah, subscribe for that. Subscribe for the possibility of it becoming entertaining, because it's not quite yet. Thank you, bye.